Hi everyone! Today we'll see how to install the dashcam into a Volkswagen Golf Mk7 facelift. First of all, we need some tools. A long nose pliers, a plastic trim removal tools, and two stage clips, the one you need to replace when you remove the A-pillar. Then, for the work in the fuse box, you'll need two fuse tabs and the Torx driver set. But you also need duct tape, cable ties, and also time and patience. Let's start with the project. We take the current from the fuse box, we bring the cables to the roof passing near the driver pillar, and we reach the mirror area. Here we'll fix the camera. You can choose any type of dashcam. My choice is an IRO model because it fits the car as an original equipment. During the video I refer to this model, but if any question, feel free to contact me. The most important thing is to have a place where you can take the current. Usually a standard camera has the ground terminal and the positive one under key. Some others, like this model, can record even when the car is parked, so it's also important to have a constant input. The Golf fuse box has a useful layout. If you see this picture, you can have both types of input. You can select an empty fuse slot to attach your tap. There is also a Torx screw where you can connect the ground. I prefer this type of solution because I can maintain separated the fuses and the failure in my connection doesn't affect the others at all. Don't use the cable ties until we finish the work. This step is valid if you want to hide the wires, not only if you have my model of dashcam. You can make a hole in the plastic nearest possible to your dashcam to pass the wire. Remove the lower part using the tool. Pay attention that you have hooks on the right and on the left of it. Then remove the upper part. As you see, it's loose when you are at this point, but it has two hooks near the top. Here you can see it. Now are visible also the existing wires. If you have problems removing the upper part, you can use a hook like I did. So you can pull the top outside and then do a lift. Now, before to continue, connect the camera to the wires, turn on the key and search for a good viewing angle. Once you have spotted the right position, fix the camera and start to pass the wires till the ceiling. Fix all the plastic frame back in position. If you have an arrow, you'll see that it has two slides on both sides. They fit perfectly on the mount on the window. Now remove the A-pillar. I don't show you in this video how to do it, but if you have any question, please write in the comments. In the next step, always remember to tie the wire to the existing ones, avoiding the airbag. It's very, very important not to follow the door frame, because in case of accident, it could be very dangerous. Now, pass the wires following the chosen route. Fix the power supply near the fuse box, because there is plenty of places to cable tie it. Now put together all the parts, but before make sure the dashcam works correctly. So turn on the car and see if you can see the video in the dashcam.